Woo! Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Again. Take two. Come on. Alright. You got it, my sweetheart. You got it. Backward, love. Backward. Okay. Come on. Oh, lovely. You're doing very good. Move backward so that you can don't see don't stay so close to me. Hi, Shan. Shan the cat. Hello. I also have a cat, one cat. Is she a Rottweiler? Yes. She is a Rottweiler dog breed. Oh, lovely. You're doing fantastic, my love. What's the name? Her name is Kiara, the Rottweiler. Come on. Backward a little bit. Backward a little. Go get the ball. Bring the ball here, my love. Thank you. Go get the ball. Yes, Kiara. Thank you so much for joining, 13 viewers. Shan the cat. I also have a cat. Her name is Bella. But she's not here at the moment. The dog is so cute. Thank you, Eruko. Chess, thanks for joining, Eruko. Welcome to my live, Eruko. Hello, my love. John V Mix Vlog. Hello. Thanks for joining. Good afternoon. Welcome to my live. No, I mean the cat of Shan. Shan the cat. Yeah, I also have a cat. One cat. Her name is Bella. Move backward, my sweetheart. Backward, my love. Oh, you got it. Yes. My dog name is Kiara. Then my cat name is Bella. Yes, Eruko. I am a pet lover. Oh, backward, my sweetheart. Well, not compared to the 3 cats in my home. No, I will not compare your 3 cats because my cat is just a Visaya cat, a small cat. I think your cat is a very nice breed. Ah, you don't have pets? You don't like pets, Eruko? It's nice that you have 3 cats. I love cats as well. I love them, but my mom and dad are strict with pets. Ah, okay, yeah. Because, you know, the dog's making mess. Mm. Go get the ball.